Mining giant Rio Tinto says it is working with authorities to try to find a radioactive capsule that went missing in Western Australia this month. "We recognise this as clearly very concerning and are sorry for the alarm it has caused," the firm told the BBC. The casing contains a small quantity of radioactive cesium-137, which could cause serious illness if touched. It was lost between the town of Newman and the city of Perth, a distance of roughly 1,400 kilometres, 870 miles, as well as fully supporting the relevant authorities. "We have launched our own investigation to understand how the capsule was lost in transit," Rio Tinto's iron ore chief executive Simon Trott said in a statement. "As part of this investigation, we are working closely with the contractor to better understand what went wrong in this instance," he added. Rio Tinto said the device involved was a density gauge, which is commonly used in the mining industry. It was being used at its Gudai Dari mine site in Western Australia to measure the density of iron ore feed. The silver capsule is just 6 mm (0.24 inches) in diameter and 8 mm long. The company said the capsule left the mine on 12 January. It was reported missing on 25 January, although it remains unclear how long the item has been missing. Rio Tinto engaged a third-party contractor, with appropriate expertise and certification, to safely package the device in preparation for transport off-site ahead of receipt at their facility in Perth. Prior to the device leaving the site, a Geiger counter was used to confirm the presence of the capsule inside the package. A Geiger counter is an electronic device used for detecting and measuring radiation. State officials have issued a radiation alert across a vast swath of Western Australia. Authorities are now searching for the capsule on the route from Newman, a small town in the remote Kimberley region, to a storage facility in the northeast suburbs of Perth. However, exposure to trace quantities of the metal is like receiving 10 X-rays in an hour. Just to put it in context, and the amount of natural radiation we would receive in a year, just by walking around, said Western Australia's Chief Health Officer Andrew Robertson. The state's desert is remote and one of the least populated places in the country. Only 1 in 5 of Western Australia's population lives outside of Perth, the state's capital. However, officials say they are concerned that someone could pick up the capsule, not knowing what it is.